Have you ever wondered about the pivotal wars in Islamic history that shaped the course of the world as we know it today? Today, we're embarking on an exploration of 5 such significant wars. These conflicts not only impacted the Islamic world, but also left an indelible mark on global history, altering political, cultural, and religious landscapes. The reverberations of these events can be felt even today. Join us on a journey back in time as we delve into the details of these monumental events. Our first stop is the year 624 AD, where we encounter the Battle of Badr. This significant event is recognized as the first major battle of Islam, where the Prophet Muhammad played a key role. Despite being vastly outnumbered, the Muslims emerged victorious, demonstrating their determination and strategic prowess. The Battle of Badr was not just a physical confrontation, but a battle of faith, resilience, and unity. The Battle of Badr set the stage for future Islamic victories, a turning point in the early days of Islam. Fast forward to the following year, we find ourselves amidst the Battle of Uhud. A significant encounter in Islamic history, this battle was marked by a challenging set of circumstances. It was here that the Muslims faced a much larger opposition force and suffered heavy losses. Despite the setbacks, the Battle of Uhud was a pivotal learning point in military strategy and cohesion. It underscored the importance of unity and adherence to leadership. The Battle of Uhud served as a valuable lesson in unity and strategy in warfare for the Muslim community. Moving ahead to 627 AD, we arrive at the Battle of the Trench. This pivotal encounter showcased the ingenious tactical use of a defensive trench, a first in Arabian warfare. The Muslims, under the leadership of Prophet Muhammad, dug a trench around Medina to counter the coalition forces of the Quraysh and their allies. The trench, a simple but effective strategy, resulted in the withdrawal of the Quraysh forces. The Battle of the Trench highlighted the importance of strategic planning and unity in times of adversity. Our journey takes us next to 630 AD, to the pivotal event known as the Conquest of Mecca. This episode in history is of great importance in the Islamic narrative. It was a peaceful conquest that established the Muslims' control over Mecca, the birthplace of Islam. The event symbolized the triumph of the Islamic faith and laid the groundwork for its future expansion. The conquest of Mecca marked a significant victory for the Muslims and played a crucial role in the expansion of Islam. Our journey through time brings us back to the present. We've traversed the sands of time, revisiting 5 pivotal wars in Islamic history. From the Battle of Badr's strategic brilliance to the resilience demonstrated at the conquest of Mecca, these events have shaped history. Each conflict, in its own unique way, reflects the courage, wisdom, and spirit of the early Islamic era. Understanding these historic wars not only informs us about the past, but also provides insights into the resilience and strategic brilliance that marked the early years of Islam.